Hey YouTube. Okay, so because there's really been a lack of, I think, honest intellectual debate about the healthcare reform in our country, I decided to make this video. And I think, to be honest, we need to look at the fact that there may be more than two options on the table. The way that our media has been covering the issue, they've made it sound like we either have to go for a full-out government-run healthcare system or rely solely on our private insurance companies, maybe with a government subsidy of some sort. But the real problem is the fact that our medical care costs are through the roof. And the problem that we need to address is the reason why our medical bills are so high. Why are our doctors allowed to charge $400 for a 15-minute visit? Well, the problem comes to the fact that the United States has one of the highest rates of lawyers per capita in the world. And because of this, we have sue-happy people. And our courts are accepting really frivolous lawsuits, and our judges are awarding these people multi-million dollar awards. And so the problem that arises is that doctors then need to buy malpractice insurance, and then their prices have to go up because that costs so much. And then the consumers, have to pay exorbitant amounts to visit our doctor, and we can't afford it, so we have to turn to the insurance companies. So the insurance companies are making money on both ends of the deal here. If we cut out the middleman and go back to the way medicine was practiced for thousands of years before the insurance companies got their paws into the mix, we'd all be a lot better off. It used to be that doctors charged a normal rate, just like anyone else, and any other professional. Maybe a little higher than a blue-collar worker, but people could still afford it out of pocket. You only needed medical insurance for those extreme cases, like a major surgery or something like that, to help cover the costs. And we've moved away from that, partly because of, like I said, the lawyers, partly because of the insurance companies. We need a radical medical revolution in this country that cuts out all the crap that we've been feeding into for these past few decades or century. And until we do this, we're going to continue to have the problem of extremely high medical prices, and we're just trying to put a band-aid over the solution. And we want our government now to enable insurance companies to continue charging these high prices, and this is only going to hurt us in our taxes. And we need some honest debate, and we need to realize that there's more than just these two options on the table before we rush to pass this healthcare bill through the Senate.